Clickup Review 2021. Guys, if you are looking for any management app and you're discovering Clickup and you want to know if Clickup is your right choice in 2021, then this is an honest opinion for you, and I will tell you everything about Clickup and what features it offers in 2021 and should you use Clickup or not. So let's start. So guys, opening line, I would say Clickup is an amazing management app for you to use because it has a lot of cool features that you can avail, and it's upgrading with time. So there are literally an update every day, and it is giving you a very safe workspace to work. So let's start. And okay, so the first thing that we'll look into is the pricing, because the first thing you will think is that if Clickup is your good choice in 2021, so will you be able to pay for it, or is it in your budget? So let's go to the pricing first, and let me tell you guys, Clickup is literally the most cheap option out there in the features that Clickup offers. I think it's very cheap for you to use Clickup. Now you can see there is a free program in Clickup. So what happens in free program is that there is 100 MB storage. Now, like, that's a little limitation in the free program. That's a limitation in this program. Now you can see if you go to this program, there is unlimited storage. What does this mean is that if you upload different things in your task and you're uploading videos or documents, so what will happen is that the storage in the free workspace will be low, but you can see there are unlimited tasks, unlimited members, and two-factor authentication, of course. But if we look here, you have to pay $5 per member per month if you go to yearly. So what happens right here, you can see that there is unlimited storage for you, unlimited list, boards, and calendar views. So this is like, look at this, this is very cool. Now if you use Trello or you're using another app and you like the view of sticky notes and boards and lists, the Clickup will also provide you that. And in this $5 you can actually have unlimited integrations, unlimited dashboards, and guest and permissions. So what happens here is, guys, like you can see there is a guest option. So what happens in guest is that you can actually invite people as a guest. So what will happen is that you can let them work in a particular board or a particular space, but you will not have to pay for them. So if you look at this, I think it's amazing for you to choose Clickup as it's in your budget. So if you're a small business owner and you're literally looking to increase your budget with time, of course, then to start up, I think Clickup is in your budget. And as we look into the pricing, I think Clickup has one of the very inexpensive options out there. Now moving on to the workspace. Now let me show you the features that Clickup is offering in 2021. You can see this is the home option for your workspace, as we know. So you can see that this is my work, and there is an option to do commands done delegated. So what happens in Clickup is that you have assigned someone a task, for example, or you have set up a task or list in the start of the month, as most of the project managers would do. You have a day, for example, the first week of your month. You assign everybody a task according to the dates and everything. So what will happen is you can just come to Clickup and come right here to this to-do list, and it will only show you what's happening today. So you can just come here and spend your time right here. You don't have to go through everything on daily basis. You can just come here and see different commands and things that have been done, or you have done, or things you have to do today, or what tasks are overdue, what's coming next, and what is unscheduled. You can see right now I do have something unscheduled, so you can actually go ahead and do, like, it's giving me a reminder. After that, let me show you around. Okay, so if I go to any of the space that I have created, For example, this is a task that I created, which is like, for example, I gave it a name, make video. Now you can see Clickup is actually offering a lot of cool features right here in this task space. You can do a lot of things within a task. For example, if I go ahead and add description to the task, anything you want to, you can just go ahead and, for example, I added a description. So you can do a to-do list right here. Also, I can add a subtask. Now I can give this subtask a name, and then I can create another subtask if I want to, right? And there you go. If I want to, I can add any checklist. So you can see I can add as many checklists as I want to. Then you can attach anything you want to right here. If you want to add a new document, if you want to drive something from your OneDrive, if you want to upload something from Google Drive, or upload a file or a video or extract it from anywhere, like from browse, you can do that too. There you can see you can actually track the time. For example, you have assigned somebody a task and you want to track the time. For example, there are some tasks that you want to get done within a time, so you can actually track the time, and you can add the watches right here, so that person will also know the time and you. Other than that, there is also an estimated time option for you, so you can get things done within time. After that, you can see that there is a notification option for you where you get every notification. Now here is a tip for you guys, because it gives you notification on everything. Right now I do not have any notification. I do have on other Workspace. Don't think that I do not do anything, but yeah, okay. So what happens is that Clickup actually gives you notification on everything, even if someone else is doing something. For example, someone has moved a task to another Workspace. So what will happen is you will get a notification. So just go to your notification, and I suggest that you change the settings to just your mentions or a particular special notifications that you want to get. So that you can do on Clickup. Okay, after that, there is a dashboard. Now dashboard and Workspace, they are a little different. What happens on dashboard is it will give you an overview of your tasks, if I say. So you can see that this is what I just did, like very randomly what I was doing. There are 4 tasks right now, 2 subtasks, and a task that I have to get done. So if I click on any of the tasks, for example right here, so it will give you an overview of what's happening in your Workspace. So you can create any dashboards if you want to, just to organize your space better. Clickup actually provides you many options. So here you can see that this is the overview of your goals. So you can add different targets, you can add timeline for your goals. After that, okay guys, so if you go to everything, now you will see all the features of Clickup right here. This is what I was actually looking for. So now you can see that there is a list option for you where you can see and create different lists. As I went to, there are boards option where you can create different boards, and you can actually create anything you want to. So after that, you can see that these are the tasks, and then you can simply move this task to wherever you want to. If you want to create another task, you can just simply go ahead and create any task, save, assign that task to anybody you want to, and people will be able to see right here. So you can see there is a board option for you, and as you know, you can share this board and you can add different people to these boards, and they will see whatever, and they will be able to create their workspace right here and do the work that you have assigned them. After that, there is a calendar option. So like right here, it will show you everything according to your calendars. Like when you have a lot of things to do, then it will give you an overview of what's happening on that particular day, what tasks have been done and what tasks are coming next this month. You can actually get a very good view of this. Then there is a doc option. And you can actually, if I go to add view, you will see that there are literally a lots of options available right here. There is a timeline option, box option, table, mind map, workload, activity, maps. So okay, you can see that there are a lot of features right here. Now here comes our drawback of Clickup. What happens in Clickup is, as if you are a beginner and if you're working as you're starting your workspace, it will get complicated for you, because the more features it's offering, the more complex it's becoming for you. So what happens is, I suggest that when you are just a beginner and you have started Clickup, so what you will do is, it will take you time to learn and go through everything. So just in the start, just stick with few lists, few boards and calendars and different, and explore it more. Then you will be able to learn about Clickup and you will be able to use it. So yeah, it becomes a little complicated. And one more thing about, if I'm talking about the drawbacks now, so I will say that actually Clickup, there is another drawback that I have noticed, is that Clickup sometimes takes time to load. That you will notice also, because there is, when a lot of people are working on Clickup and you're working on a board, it will actually take time to load and you will have to refresh. Obviously Clickup is working on it and they're upgrading it, they know about it, but it doesn't take that thing out that this is a drawback. It's our favorite app right now, but that does not mean that we don't have to mention those things. Okay guys, so as you can see, I told you there are literally many options for you on Clickup to choose from. You can create a very safe, a very organized, well-featured workspace for you on Clickup in 2021. So if you're asking me, should you use Clickup in 2021, then I would suggest yes, go ahead and try it, because there are many features that the other workspace are not offering. For example, if we compare it to Trello, the thing that we came across recently is that it does not show the total amount of tasks that are assigned in the list. For example, if I do have a list right here, for example, if I had a list, so it does not show the total number of tasks, but Clickup does. So you do have a notice of the thing that you have. So it does not show you the number, but Clickup does, and it will show you how many tasks you are doing, how many tasks are assigned to that particular person. Then there is an inbox option for you also in Clickup, which helps you to import your contacts from Slack or any other messaging app you're using. So it will also help you create that connection also. And it has a lot of cool features for you. You can customize anything you want to, and there are lists and boards for you, and you can create an awesome workspace for yourself. So yeah guys, this was my review of Clickup. I hope I was a big help to you if you are exploring Clickup, or if you were wondering you should use Clickup or not. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you